On stage is one of two schools representing the parish of Manchester, showing you just how grateful they are for your votes. Singing IMELA, which means thank you. Here is Holmwood Technical High School.
When I think upon your goodness, your faithfulness each day,
I'm convinced it's not because I am worthy
to receive the kind of love that you give, but I'm grateful for your mercies, and I'm grateful for your grace. And because of how you poured out yourself, I have come to sing this song out in praise. Imela, 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 oh kaka, oh yeah, Kerua, Imela, Imela, ese Who am I to sing your praises? Who am I to worship you? It's your blood that makes a difference in me and made a way to enter into your throne. I could not go near your presence. I could never sing your song, but the sacrifice on Calvary's tree is the reason I can cry out today. Thank you, great and mighty Creator of the world. Thank you, oh my King. Imela, Imela, oh kaka, oh yeah, Kerua. Imela, Imela, ese Imela, oh kaka, oh yeah, Kerua. Imela, Imela, ese
I was disconnected from it in so many ways. Look, a four part, I'm gonna jump out from. I don't know which part that it come from. That never properly rehearsed. Um, Guys, I can't stress enough how much we have to do a vocal warm up. Even if you just leave from country and come and have to jump off of the bus, we have to do a vocal warm up before we come on the stage. And we have to rehearse, rehearse, rehearse until we get it right. Nobody now go home until we get it right. So, sir, we have to get it together, yeah?
Homewood, as your song suggests, thank you. I really enjoyed the song, the quality of the lyrics, the substance that you brought to the competition so far, and I'm looking forward to more. Lead singer, if Soji, you can pick up that young lady there, the tall lady. I love your voice, really do like your voice.
You know, I don't know that song, but it is a very good choice for a gospel song and for a full choir. And the effort that you went into with the moves and the arrangement itself was extremely good. I thought the arrangement was good.
Thank you.
Homewood is eager to make it to the next round, and you can help them do it by texting or calling 444-8804.